Welcome to our meditation for strength and grounding. Today's meditation is going to be focused on the idea of finding balance, confidence, and strength within our body and being. Throughout our everyday life, there are many circumstances or situations that may leave us feeling lost, unsettled, and even deeply anxious within ourselves. When we become overwhelmed with these types of energies, we can become restless and perhaps even frustrated due to the fact that we are unable to ground ourselves and still the body and mind. It's a normal reaction, and I'm sure every single one of us has experienced this type of emotional stress at some point in our lives. It's important to be conscious and fully aware that these emotions arise so that we can learn to train our minds to deal with them in a peaceful and healthy manner. We cannot control what life presents us with. However, what we do have control over is how we react to those situations. There is no point in allowing a negative situation to affect our physical and mental being. With time, there will always be some kind of solution to our problems, but if we allow them to affect us on a deeper energetic way, they will hurt our health and mental being in a much greater way. So breathe, smile. Everything will be okay in the end. And if it's not okay, it's not the end. Trust that you are guided by the divine energy of love, and everything that comes your way, good or bad, is just part of this extraordinary journey of life. With that said, let's begin our meditation. Find a comfortable seated position on the floor, your bed, or anywhere else you feel most comfortable. Sit up tall and relaxed. Rest your hands on your knees. Face your palms up to the sky if you are in need of guidance in your life, or face the palms downward if you're simply seeking rest and peace. Let go of any tension in the shoulders. Allow them to drop away from the ears, elongating the neck. Feeling any tension in that area of your body, begin to let go. Close your eyes. Feel the heaviness of your eyelids. Bring all of your awareness to your third eye chakra, the space between your two eyebrows. Pay attention if any colors or sensations begin to arise. Take a deep breath in. With your exhale, let go. Let go of anything that bothered you today. Any negative energy you were exposed to. Let go of anything that doesn't serve you right now in this moment. Breathe in. Exhale out. Let go and unclench your jaw. Completely let go of your face, your shoulders. Feel your heart beating in your chest. Feel the chest rise and fall as you gently breathe in and out. Let go. As you surrender to this present moment, let's take this time and introduce our mantra. You can repeat this mantra for the duration of the meditation, or you can simply come back to it whenever you feel your mind starts to become distracted by other thoughts or sensations in your body. I am strong. I am grounded. I am rooted in my being. I am one with the universe and all its creation. Remember, it's normal to become distracted or for thoughts to enter your mind. Don't let that frustrate you. Simply acknowledge it and then allow it to release. Release it. Come back to this mantra, allowing yourself to embrace each and every breath. I am strong. I am grounded. I am rooted in my being. I am one with the universe and all its creation. I am strong. I am grounded. I am rooted in my being. I am one with the universe and all its creation. I am strong. I am grounded. I am rooted in my being. I am one with the universe and all its creation. And now, silently in your mind, It's time to release the mantra. Take your time here. Slowly begin to come back to your breath. Take a deep breath in, and with your exhalation, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your body. Inhale and exhale. Inhale again and exhale out. Becoming conscious of each finger, each toe, the beating of your heart. Breathe in and out. In and out. Whenever you are ready, you may slowly begin to open your eyes and simply allow yourself to sit with yourself for a moment. As you go about your day today, allow yourself to be reminded that you are always in control of your inner state of being. Choose love to guide you through your day. Choose to see the good things in life and trust the unfolding of your journey. I send you love and light. Namaste.